Layers of the atmosphere. Essential questions. Till the end of the lesson, you will be able to answer these two questions: that what are the four main layers of the atmosphere and what are the characteristics of each layer. Earth's atmosphere is divided into four main layers based upon changes in temperature. Layers of the atmosphere. So over here you can see these layers: Troposphere, Stratosphere, Mesosphere, Ionosphere, Thermosphere, and then Exosphere. Exosphere is the outer layer. Okay, so this is just the minimum information about exosphere, but still we learn in a detailed manner. We will now in this video I will tell you that the explanation for each layer. I will explain you. Okay, troposphere. It's the lowest layer of the atmosphere and it's the closest layer to the earth. We live on troposphere. Tropo means turning or changing. Weather occurs here. This is the shallowest layer. Shallow means thinnest. It contains almost all the masses of the atmosphere. It is 16 km thick at equator and less than 9 km thick at poles. As altitude increases, temperature decreases, clouds of ice. Stratosphere. It's the second layer of the atmosphere, reaches from troposphere to about 50 km above surface of Earth. Strato means layer or spread out. Ozone layer is here. Jets often fly here because it's calm. In the layer stratosphere there is less air turbulence and there are no birds. Okay, now last point is, as altitude increases, temperature increases because ozone layer absorbs heat. Mesosphere, third layer of the atmosphere. Meso means middle. Reaches from 50 km to 80 km above Earth's surface. Protects Earth's surface from being hit by meteoroids. Meteoroids are the chunks of stone and metal from space, but some still get through. A shooting star is a trail of hot, glowing gases a meteoroid leaves behind in the mesosphere of the mesosphere. As altitude increases, temperature decreases. So over here is the picture of an asteroid grazing Earth's atmosphere. Thermosphere, outermost layer of our atmosphere, reaches from 80 km above Earth's surface into outer space. There is no definite upper limit. Thermo means heat. Thickest layer, you would not feel warm here. As altitude increases, temperature increases. Has two other layers. Ionosphere, lower layer of the thermosphere, reaches from about 80 km to 400 km above Earth's surface. Energy from the sun causes gas molecules here to become electrically charged particles. Radio waves bounce off ions back to Earth, make signals travel much farther at night.
No, she's not here. No, she's not here. But she will come in 3 minutes because it's 11:57 and the class starts at 12.
In night skies.
Okay, thanks for telling me.
Exosphere. Exo means outer. Is the outer portion of the thermosphere, reaches from about 400 km outward for thousands of kilometers. Space shuttles and satellites orbit Earth here. Remember, Earth's atmosphere is divided into four main layers based upon changes in temperature. temperature in atmosphere. So you can see the altitude and the temperature of the atmosphere. This is the chart of temperature in the atmosphere. Okay, you can view it. Okay, so over here, can you pick out what might be the layers? Can you? If yes, then write yes in the chat comments. Okay, so over here is a review quiz. So let's start. List the 4 main layers of the atmosphere in order from the surface of Earth. You can also pause the video or type your answer in the comments below. 3, 2, 1. So there are 4 main layers in the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, and mesosphere. What is the hottest layer of the atmosphere? Okay, so again you can pause the video or type your answer in the comments below. 3, 2, 1.
Is the teacher in the class because my participant is not
answer
opening?
is thermosphere.
Now the my
This quiz is again continued. What layer do you live in? Again, you can type your answer in the comments or you can pause the video. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is troposphere.
Hello, Mark.
We all live in the layer called troposphere. What layer contains ozone layer?
वो हम टीचर को आज सुना तक जिन्होंने नहीं सुनाया
Again,
था.
you can type your
हाँ
answer
मुझे
in
लगा
the
आप सुना
comments
सकते हैं, मुझसे पूछ लेना.
or you can pause the video to answer.
Thank you.
3,
टीचर
2,
तक
1.
पूरिया आपने क्या लिखा है चैट बॉक्स में? ब्लॉब फिश.
Stratosphere.
ब्लॉबफिश
Okay.
बाबूई
Essential questions answered. So on the second slide you may be seeing this question: what are the 4 main layers of the atmosphere? So here are the answers of that: troposphere,
Blobfish has
stratosphere,
been fed.
mesosphere, and thermosphere.
so
What are the characteristics
Yes.
of each layer? Troposphere, weather happens here, we live here, it's the thinnest layer and the lowest layer. Stratosphere, ozone layer and jet stream are here. Mesosphere, coldest layer, shooting stars happen here. Thermosphere, thickest
she
layer
was
and the hottest
literally
layer.
mumbling.
Temperature,
Who was
temperature
literally
is
going
the
to write to
energy
her?
of motion of each molecule of a substance in the thermosphere.
Was my mind
In the
open when I was
thermosphere, the
doing like this?
molecules are spaced far apart in the
Tell
thin
me,
air.
was my
Also,
mic open when
so
I was
they are
doing
not
this?
enough of them to collide with a
Oh,
thermometer
sorry.
and warm it very much. In the thermosphere, an ordinary
I was just
thermometer
getting bored.
that